What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? If you guys are looking for the next 100x meme coin here on the Solana blockchain, then you are in the right place. Smash that like button, because in a second I'm about to show you guys a very small token that is exploding right now. It's breaking out, looks like it's getting ready to squeeze hard, and it's about a 4x from where it just was not that long ago. So if you guys are ready to ride this train, then get ready to do your own research and throw your money into something that's going to make money for you. Smash that like button, guys. If I didn't say it already, smash that like button. I'm going to get right into this. We're looking at PIPI today. PIPI the cat. PIPI the cat is only at this says it's at a 90k market cap, but right now we're back up to a 110k market cap. That would be right here at 11 cents. It's only got a 1 million supply, so mega low on supply. You can't get it on Dex Tools. You can get it on Orca, or you can get it on where did I buy it? On Bird Eye. I bought it on birdeye.so if you guys are looking at getting into that. Basically, it is killing it on the Dex score except for the pool. So once people actually put some more liquidity into this token, basically as the market cap goes up, people usually put liquidity into it too. People put enough liquidity into this, and see, there's active buyers. People are buying into this actively. This all just happened. This wasn't that many minutes ago. Like, these are all happening minute by minute. People are buying into this bad boy. And then what's this? One sell order for $10. So every order of the last 10 orders was a buy order except a $10 sell order. A lot more buys coming in than sells. I literally had a guy put $2,800 in, and it spiked it all the way up to 16 cents. And while he was doing it, there was several other people putting hundreds in. So definitely some buy pressure on it. We got 407 holders right now in this bad boy right here. Like I said, that Dex score will go up when the liquidity pool pulls up. The audits are good. 9 votes up on community trust. 0 buy tax. Not a honeypot. Contract verified. Basically, this is Pepe's cat, guys. This is Pepe's cat, right? So if you guys are looking for the next meme to get in, is this for, that's for Dex Tools. I'd like to pull up the website here for you guys on this bad boy if I could. Grab that website. Soul Scan. I clicked in the Soul Scan for this bad boy right here. Pepe's cat, guys. Alright, guys, I had to pause this video so I could pull up the website for you guys here. ppthecat.com. I know, right? I should have had the website up before, but normally, because I'm used to having my old computer where I can't pull up the websites because the computer was old. I got the brand new one thanks to Crypto Profits. Say hello to Pepe's cat right here. So you got Pepe right here, Pepe's cat. Now, here's the thing with this. ETH is exploding because the Bitcoin ETF got approved. Now all the coins on ETH are exploding because ETH is exploding, and Pepe is on ETH. Because Pepe is exploding, this is probably going to get discovered. This PIPI the cat here is going to get discovered on Solana here, and this thing is going to take off as well. Now that's not financial advice. That is my own opinion. I'm just a guy on YouTube, a guy trying to make some money here. Pretty cool. They got the Lamborghini in here. What else they got? Links. There's your Twitter, your Dex Tools, your Telegram right here. That's cool. Nice. That's awesome. By the way, if I told you guys that you can't buy this on Dex Tools, I'm not sure about that one. You might be able to buy that on Dex Tools. I might have been thinking of a different token that I can't buy on Dex Tools, but I actually haven't tried to buy this because Dex Tools, you go on Dex Tools and they stick you on Radium, right? Radium, I don't really care for Radium. I think Radium's not that good. But, you know, whatever. I mean, you got to use something, don't you? You know what I mean? So, for sure, guys, definitely check out Pepe's cat. The Twitter account has a very small following as well. If you want to look at this, Twitter on X over here. There's like 300 followers on this bad boy. So, mega super early you guys are to this one right here. 281 followers on this guy. So, and look at, there's all the stuff. They're pretty active on here, too. They posted a lot of stuff. They got everything laid out in here for you guys. I would definitely take a look at this one right here. I love cats. That's kind of cool. Hit over 100k organically. No paid shills. Yeah, that's cool. Nice. Yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. This is the type of stuff that you guys want to find. Stuff that's real early. You know, Pepe really exploded. So this thing, you know, being at a 90k or 110k market cap, literally you're talking like the sky's the limit for this. Literally be 11 million if it did 100x, a whole 100x. We only put this at 11 million. You don't even want to know what Pepe had went to total. Here's my portfolio today. Portfolio is up 3,300 on the day, guys, because of that Bitcoin ETF approval. Did really good on Celestia, guys. Bought up Celestia. Dude, got Celestia at almost $14 and it pumped to like $16.50 just before. And by the way, that was to get into this Milky Way airdrop. I'm going to make a video for you guys about the Milky Way airdrop. You guys can stake in there. I've got 18 Celestia staked in here. You're getting a 14% APY, and this comes with an airdrop. This is just like the Jito airdrop, where you're holding a token and you're able to get an allocation or an airdrop based on how long you held how many tokens. But yeah, Pepe, guys. Pepe, and like I told you, Pepe is exploding today, so it'll probably bring PIPI up with it. 553 million. We just mentioned the 11 million, so effectively 110 million would be 1,000x for the one that I just mentioned. 1,000. So to get to where Pepe's at right now, we're talking a 5,000x on the one that I'm looking at. And I'm not saying it will get there. Of course, it's not going to do a Pepe. It's not going to get to do a Pepe ever. But we're not looking for a 5,000x neither, guys. We're looking at maybe a 10x or a 50x tops. Really, we only need a 10x. We don't even need to go to a whole million. You know what I mean? A 10x is plenty for us. If you guys are putting in the right amount of money, you put in 200, you could easily turn that into 2 grand, and now you've got the 2 grand, and you could evenly spread that among 10 different projects doing the same method all over again. So yeah, with my son walking into the room. But yeah, guys, check out PIPI. Check out PIPI the cat. I'm going to leave it right here for you guys. That's about all I've got. I don't want to take up no more of your time right here. It's a short video for you guys. I just wanted to show you guys this one. There's not really much else to see. It's a very risky one. High risk, high reward. Definitely check it out, but don't put your life savings into this one, guys. Love you lots. Take care and have a good day.